Manipur Science and Technology Council MASTEC Imphal na shillaga houkhiba tang kun maridagi Numit mangani Chupna Chatharakkhiba Celebration of National Science Day 2025 ngasi Mai Pakna Loishinkhre Tagel patta leiba MASTEC ki complex ta pangthokhiba thoram aduda Manipur lenga ki Science and Technology ki Secretary Kengu Juringla Joint Secretary Chingakham Sachi, CSIR NEIST Branch Laboratory Imphal ki Chief Scientist Dr. S. Bir Kumar Amadi, MASTEC ki Director Dr. K. H. Rakesh na President Member Singh oina saruk yakhe. Tongan ba school dagi lakpa mahiroi kaya yauna pangthokhiba thoram aduda Kengu Juringla na hai mapung phana chaukhatpa state natraga leibak ama ohenba haibasi mahiroi shingi makhutta lei tungi yumbi oirakadoriba ngasigi mahiroi phunaina awonba amasung mapung phana chaukhatpa lamdam ama puraknaba hotnage haibagi wakalonsu leihanningi asigumba wakalon sing haujikti leirabadi Madubu thabakta onthoknaba angamba thakta honarakani haibasi mahakki thajabani mahairoi shingna haujik mahai tamlingai manung asida mityeng sanna yengba amasung thijinbagi hainabi thamduna khunai asigidamak karigumba khara tauramge haina khangadabani lairik khakta pabagi mahu tongan ba activity singdasu mai onsin bachummi masiga iroinana makhal makha kayagi lairik sing paduna ahenba lawsing tansinnaba hotnarabadi mapung phana chaukhatpa lamdam amagi manglan adu mangphaunaba ngamgani haina Kengu Juringlana makhatana phongdokhe Thauram aduda National Mathematics Day 2024 amasung National Science Day 2025 kamari lainana pangthokhiba tongan ba thauram singi makok mathang takraba mahiroi shingda cell memento amadi certificate na chingba lanthokduna pungning thogatkhe.
And I continue to encourage the students to find ways to study and to show yourself a person who will bring about these kind of desirable changes in our society, that you are the one who brought peace, that you are the one who brought development in our community. I would also like to encourage our teachers to continue to bring your students to participate at such activities and such programs even in the future. The models that we have seen, the exhibits that we have seen, they are very encouraging, and we congratulate the students who have taken the pains, who also have put in your best effort to bring out such, so that we have enjoyed so much of all that you have to show us. We congratulate you once again.